In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to downgrade your Shopify plan. This is an essential guide for those who have reconsidered their service plans and wish to opt for a less expensive or simpler service plan on the Shopify platform. Start by accessing your Shopify admin. This is the administrative interface of your Shopify store, and to find it, simply go to your store's official admin page. You'll need to log in using your existing Shopify account credentials. Be sure to have your username and password ready. Moving ahead, you need to navigate to the store settings. On the dashboard of your Shopify admin interface, look at the bottom left corner. There you will find a range of options, among which you will see a tab or link called Settings. Click on this to continue your journey on downgrading your Shopify plan. Once you're inside Settings, move your attention to the option that says Plan. This is where all information regarding your active and available service plans is raised and managed. So, go ahead and tap or click on Plan. In the Plan section, you need to choose to change your active plan. For this, keep an eye out for a button that says Change Plan or Choose a New Plan. Once you find it, don't hesitate to click on it to progress to the next step. Now comes the main decision: review and selecting your new plan. Shopify provides different plan tiers to meet various business requirements. They typically range from basic to grow to advanced. Here, you need to inspect each plan and consider the provided features versus the accompanying price. Once you've made up your mind, go ahead and select the plan and click on a button that typically reads Choose Plan or Select Basic or something similar. An important aspect before you finalize comes with confirming your selection. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to review the changes in your billing. Shopify will prompt you to overview the financial changes of downgrading your plan. Head through this process to confirm your new selection. You might also be required to select your billing cycle and provide a payment method, if not already registered, before you confirm the new service agreement by clicking Start Plan or Subscribe. Once all this is done, be sure to keep a close eye on your billing statement. After the change in plan is confirmed, you'll want to make sure that your billing statement reflects your new plan and its corresponding price. This final step is crucial to ensure your downgrade process was successful and you're only being billed what you have signed up for. Properly downgrading your Shopify plan can save you money or reallocate resources as needed, making this process a handy skill for any Shopify store owner to learn. So go ahead and take a crack at downgrading your Shopify plan with this easy-to-follow tutorial at your side.